Hey guys, it's Neeta from Design Hour 1 and today we will learn the isometric text effects in Adobe Illustrator. This effect is worldwide famous and used by many graphic. First, go to File and create a new document size you need. And make sure the color mode is RGB. Now type your text with the text tool in Adobe Illustrator. And I'm using Oswald from Google Font, it is free and you can use on any project. And scale it by holding the Shift key on keyboard. If you notice the space between the text is less. But you can change this from character setting. And change the space between text to 100. You can change this according to your text. And change the text color to gray, so you can easily see the changes in the 3D position. Now go to Effect, 3D and Extrude and Bevel. Turn on the preview option so you can see the changes. There is a lot of isometric presets, but I'm selecting an isometric top and hit OK. If you want another isometric presets you can select any for your project. Now we need to expand the appearances for this. Go to the object and expand the appearances. It will allow you to fully customize your text. And rotate the text position by holding Shift on your keyboard. Now you can see the text is divided into individual parts. Right-click and ungroup it twice. So you can easily customize each part into different color. Color Hunt is free website to choose color palettes. You can download thousands of colors. Go to the file and place the color palette, and move it in small size. And go to Rectangle tool and choose Color by Eyedropper tool and make a rectangle for the background. Right-click and arrange this to backside to the text. Now select the background layer, go to Object and Lock and then Selection. It will make easy to move object in front. Now go to Move tool and select front face of each letter by holding Shift on the keyboard by clicking. Now select Eyedropper tool and select Color from Palette. Now if I zoom you can see these individual parts. You have to move them into one unite shape. For this go to Windows and select Pathfinder. Now select these individual parts by holding Shift on the keyboard and press. And click Unite option. Do the same with all. The long shadow is needed to be added in it. For this select all front faces and go to Edit, click Copy and then click Paste in front. Change the color into another color as you need, I'm changing color to gray. Right-click and click Group. Select and go to Edit, Copy and Paste again, and move the second copy to a side. Now select both copies and go to Object. Blend and make Blend option. Now select Specified Steps. And give it a number in between 200. Again go to Object Blend, and click OK. Now select these and unite them. Right-click and arrange to back. And position this above the blue background and below the text. And move the shadow direction. If you want to lower the opacity you can lower it. But I'm using full opacity for this. I forget to change the color for text but not problem. Select these part and change the color from the palette. Now click to front face and add stroke color. I'm using light green for this. And increase the stroke points. Now you have to change stroke corners into round. For this go to Window, Stroke. And change stroke corners into round shape. Do the same with other. And this is how you can easily create isometric text in Adobe Illustrator. If you find this video useful please like and share with your friends. And click to subscribe button and hit bell icon for more useful tutorials.